Thousands of Americans have applied to a program giving out monthly payments worth $500. Qualifying families in Long Beach, California could begin receiving the monthly payments as early as this spring. More than 2,700 applicants from single-income families were received for the new pilot program. The program is part of the Long Beach Recovery Act, which was put in place to help those impacted by the pandemic. Along with the $500 each month, the 250 chosen families will also receive free child care, transportation support, and workforce training. Officials are now going through applications to determine who is eligible. Lowering tax liabilities, retirement contributions. People who are able to contribute the maximum amount to retirement accounts will lower this year's tax bill. This means taxpayers will get tax-free growth on the account. Another option is to pay taxes on your contributions now and enjoy tax-free withdrawals when it's time to retire. For 2022, your maximum 401k contribution is $20,500 for those under 50 or $27,000 for those over 50. Lowering tax liabilities, group itemized deductions. Taxpayers may take the standard deduction depending on their filing status, or if the deductions exceed the standard amount, they can itemize expenses. If possible, try bunching together as many deductions this year as next year. You'll be able to lower your deductible expenses and claim the full standard deduction regardless of annual expenses. This will also reduce your long-term tax implications, allowing you to keep more income. Low-income Wisconsin residents get boost. The Madison Forward Fund is giving guaranteed income to low-income families who live in Madison, Wisconsin. Monthly payments of $500 started going out in October 2022 and will continue for 1 year into 2023. A total of 155 households were randomly selected from about 3,000 applications. To qualify, people must be residents of Madison, have at least one child, and have a household income less than 200% of the federal poverty line. Most Americans support another stimulus package. A recent study found 63% of eligible American voters supported the idea of another stimulus package being approved. This is based on the report from Newsweek and Redfield and Wilton Strategies after a survey of 1,500 Americans, despite the fact there are no plans for the federal government to extend the stimulus payments. A year into the pandemic, the inflation rate hit 4.7%. Changes to states' minimum wage in 2023. Conclusion. Virginia is raising its minimum wage to $12, a $1 increase from its $11 minimum wage in 2022. Minnesota, Montana, Ohio, Oregon, and Vermont are all slated to increase their minimum wage for 2023 but have yet to designate an amount. Changes to states' minimum wage in 2023 continued. New Jersey is raising the minimum wage to $14 at the start of 2023 from the previous total of $13. New Mexico is raising its minimum wage 50 cents from $11.50 to $12 for workers starting January 1, 2023. Rhode Island is increasing its minimum wage by 75 cents from $12.25 and will pay workers $13 starting in 2023.